In order to understand port numbers, we consider that our PC is an apartment building. This apartment building can be reached using a specific street address. In our computer's case, it will be an IP address. The building is further divided into apartments, and every apartment is identified by a unique apartment number. Just like apartments, a computer contains a large but finite number of ports, each identified by a numeric value. A single port can be used to send or receive data by only one process at any given time. When we need to send data to a software process running on another computer, we need to know the IP address of the remote peer and the port number which is being used by the peer software process. Combination of IP and port is called an endpoint. A few examples are given on the screen. There are total 65,536 ports on a computer. Port numbers from 0 to 1023 are reserved for operating system usage. These are called well-known ports or system ports.